waiting our demi-glace to be ready. Then we are going to make chicken verte. So chicken verte is going to be developed from chicken stock. Our chicken stock is already hot. We're just going to add white roux. So for our chicken verte, we are going to also to put a little pinch of salt, not to taste, just to develop flavor, and white pepper, because chicken verte it's also mother sauce. Just let it boil, then reduce the fire to take the sauce into simmering point. So remember, simmering is the way you reduce fire to allow sauce evaporate water and also to be more concentrated and develop its flavor. My chicken verte is ready. You just strain the sauce to make sure that there is no lumps. After straining it, you can put butter on top, or you can put olive oil on top to make sure your sauce not forming the skin on the surface. Our brown sauce, it's ready. We just add some salt and the white pepper. The same like other mother sauces, you just put butter on top to make sure your sauce doesn't form skin. So this is our basic brown sauce, demi-glace. As we are waiting our veal verte to be ready, now we are going to produce sauce from milk liquid called bechamel sauce. So bechamel sauce is developed, it's a basic white sauce developed from milk. As milk is one of the liquid we use to develop bechamel sauce. Developing our bechamel sauce, we had to put some olive oil, or you can use butter. After melting butter, then I'm going to add chopped onion, then I saute my onion with the butter. Then I add my white roux to make sure that the white roux is mixed with chopped onion. So after adding white roux, then I pour milk slowly by slowly. I add some cloves, bay leaf, and just a pinch of nutmeg. See, very nice flavor of white sauce. The white sauce, known as bechamel sauce, can be used to serve many food items. So bechamel sauce can be used for pasta preparation, like maybe pasta with all white sauces. Start from bechamel sauce. Bechamel can produce many sauces, such as cheese sauce, such as garlic sauce, and many more. So bechamel sauce is one of leading sauce and classical sauce called mother sauce or basic white sauce. So now it's ready. So we just put a bit of salt, not to taste, just to improve flavor of the sauce. Strain them. After straining them, then I put butter on top.